Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon given below. Here's the list of material required. Paste the yellow paper properly on the tin. Cuts on the paper as shown in video and paste the extra paper inside the tin. Now cut out the blue paper as shown and draw the given design. Paste it on the tin. Prepare the eyes as shown in video. And paste it on the tin. Now take black glitter sheet to make the spectacle sticks and paste it on the tin. And now our minion pen's hand or pen holder is ready. Here's the list of material required for the second design. Take a plastic bottle and cut it in required height with the help of a cutter. Draw a rabbit shape on a white sheet as shown in video and cut it out. The cutout will look something like this. Decorate the cutout using some pink paper and a marker pen. Paste the pink cutouts on the white cutting as shown in video. Now with the help of a paper, highlight the eyes, nose and other parts. Take a pink strip and paste it on the edge of the bottle we have cut. Now paste the bottle on the prepared rabbit cutout. Paste the legs from the top side. And our second design is ready. List of material required for the third design. Take a CD and mark its size on a paper. Add extra half an inch and cut out the shape. Paste the CD in the center and from the extra paper give slight cuttings. Fold the extra paper at the back side of the CD and paste it. Now take a second sheet and paste on it. Prepare two similar bases. Now take the cardboard of the mentioned sizes. Cover the cardboard with the yellow paper as shown in video. All our pieces are ready. Paste together as shown in video. Press it firmly to give it a proper finish. Now cut out the cardboard paper and paste it to give it some stability. You can use any smiley shape of your choice. And here our smiley pen holder is ready. List of material required for the fourth design. Paste the white paper on the container. Cut from the bottom as shown in video and paste the extra paper at the bottom. paste a round paper on it to give it a finished look. Our bottom is ready. Now repeat the same procedure for the top side. Paste the extra paper inside the container. Out the unicorn horn. Paste it on the container. Now cut 2 ears from the white paper and decorate it with some pink cuttings. Paste the ears on the container. Take a round paper and cut it as shown in video. This is the cutting for a flower. You can also use this flower on any other patterns or designs. Once the cutting is ready, start rolling from the outer edge. Once you completely roll the stripe, adjust its size and paste it at the bottom. Our flower is ready. Now paste the prepared flowers on the container. With the help of a marker, draw its eyes. Paste the pink paper as shown in video to give it some look. And here our unicorn pen holder is ready. If you enjoy my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon given below. Thank you.